The fleet is an essential element of any company and usually a much greater expense than it should be. Azuga's here to help you save money and create efficiencies by improving the safety of your fleet. Using GPS tracking and dashcam video footage, we're able to create the most accurate witness in the case of an accident. Our integrated system recognizes any dangerous events, such as a sudden acceleration and hard braking, which trigger the capture of video footage, along with audio and any relevant details, giving you the evidence necessary to exonerate your drivers and business from fault. Our safety cam provides daily data to help coach high-risk drivers. Together, Azuga Fleet and Azuga Safety Cam are a major factor in the reported 88% reduced accident-causing behavior amongst drivers, which in turn saves you any collision costs and can even lower your insurance premium by up to 20%. Azuga users report saving $9,462 simply by using Azuga Fleet to manage their fleets. That's certainly a savings most companies can appreciate. We've also developed an integrated reward system to help motivate your drivers. The only program of its kind, the system allows you to immediately recognize and reward safe driving and easily send gifts accordingly. Get access to data about all your vehicles, how your team's driving is affecting your bottom line, and where you can save money anytime, anywhere. You'll also gain insight into driver speed and route choice with detailed custom reports and analysis, which can help your fleet achieve a 28% reduction in time taken to get to your customers. The Azuga ROI tool provides comparisons to fleets similar to yours, while giving you knowledge necessary to make yours a world-class fleet. Our proven 4-step process ensures your fleet is safe, efficient, and delivering the highest level of customer service. The results certainly speak for themselves, with Azuga customers reporting a 30% improvement in overall safe driving, a 38% accident reduction, and a 57% drop in driving citations. We believe safety is good for drivers and great for business. Join Azuga today to start your journey to safety.